And we're back for another quick Lowrance HDS live tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys something really quick and simple. It's something I get asked about all the time, and it's how do I get rid of the boat icon. I'm using my Lowrance for off-road navigation. I don't want my icon to be a boat. So it's actually super simple. The boat icon will only show if you're in 3D mode. And I'm not going to go into the details of what 3D mode is, because 99.9% of us that are using units off-road are not going to be using 3D mode anyways, but it will only show in 3D mode. So all you need to do is disable 3D mode. So to do that, you'll go ahead and just hit the More Options button on the right side of the chart screen here. And from there, you'll notice that 3D has a little orange triangle in the lower right corner of that button, and that's indicating that 3D mode is currently enabled. So all you need to do is disable 3D mode, and that boat instantly turns into a black position marker, just a black triangle. So that's what we all use off-road. You just keep it as that marker, and it works out really well. So I hope that helps a bunch of you. I know many people kind of run round and round looking for how to change that icon, and that's all it is. So if you have any ideas on videos that you would like to see me do, please drop them in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to stay tuned for more upcoming videos, because as we get further into or beyond the basics, I should say, we will get more into the fun stuff and even start doing some videos from out on the trail. So definitely stay tuned. I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.